Is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. As y'all can tell from that title, I'm gonna be giving y'all an updated makeup routine. I really don't use that many different products, but I do kind of apply it a little bit differently because y'all, I looked at my last makeup routine that was like 7-8 months ago and I was like, wow, please, I need to update y'all, okay? Because your girl done got better. Oh, and I do got a shirt on. I got the dress on that's in the thumbnail, y'all, so don't think I'm naked. I'm not naked, but I'm excited to show y'all my new makeup routine and I hope y'all like it. Comment down below some tips and tricks that y'all want to let me know. If y'all got any questions, let me know. All right, okay, if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, go ahead and subscribe, and let's get into this video. All right, so I just primed my face with Milk of Magnesia off camera, and the first thing I'm gonna start with is my brows. I'm using this dark brown. It's really an eyeliner pencil. It's not an eyebrow pencil because I feel like it glides on better, but it's from the beauty supply, y'all. So like, this was like $1 and some cents in the shade dark brown. All right, so I'm gonna start filling in my brows. They're microbladed for the most part, so it really don't take that much product to get them to look full. So fill them in like so, like this, and then I just kind of smear it right here toward the front like this. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eyebrow. I'm gonna do the same thing and smear it like this. Look, they already look like they on fleek. No concealer, no nothing, okay? Period. They not twins though, okay? I done said this before. Your eyebrows are sisters, not twins, but they look the fuck good. So next, I'm finna be using LA Girl Pro Concealer, but this time I'm gonna be using the shade Chestnut. It's a shade that's kind of close to my foundation shade. I do like this look a little bit better because in the past I would carve my brows out with a lighter shade, and I noticed that it did make my eyebrows look a little halo-like. It took a lot more blending out to make it look right. And I'm using this brush by Morphe. It's called the Flatliner brush. So it's just a simple flat brush, go straight across. I don't know the specific numbers, but if you search up Flatliner brush, you're gonna find it. And now I'm finna go over the top of both of them with the same shade, y'all. All right, so my eyebrows is carved out, and I'm gonna just kind of blend that concealer out just a little bit, even though it matches. I'm just kind of like blend out the harsh edges. So now we're gonna move on to foundation. I use Juvia's Place I Am Magic. Look, it's kind of empty, y'all. Shit, I've been using this, but look, got a new one right here, y'all. I don't play, but I'm gonna get my money's worth. Yeah, y'all, I use Juvia's Place Velvety Matte Foundation in the shade Tanzania 205. They have a radiant foundation like in the same shades, but I'm an oily girl, so I need that velvety matte, y'all. I'm gonna be using my Real Technique brush. This is the Expert Face brush, or the 200 brush, whatever y'all want to call it. Okay, so yeah, I'm just, y'all see how much it's starting to cover that fast? That was just a little bit of foundation, just a little bit. And now we're gonna go back to these eyebrows and kind of fill in the front a little bit because we're gonna blend it out. I'm gonna take my beauty blender from TJ Maxx, y'all. TJ Maxx got a whole bunch of beauty blenders you can get in the pack for like $5. So this is my little TJ Maxx beauty blender, and I'm fixing to do this with a light hand, y'all. All right, boom. So the eyebrows is done. Now we're finna go right back in with that Chestnut concealer and conceal under my eyes. I use this shade because, like I said earlier, it's closer to my foundation shade, and I like to kind of build up on that bright under eye, because if I go in with like just a real bright ass concealer, I noticed that it made my face a little bit too light, you know? I don't want to look ghosty. I don't want no flashback, you know what I'm saying? And I just want my face to match the rest of my body. So now that concealer is blended out, I'm finna go in with this e.l.f. Camo concealer, y'all. I've been hearing a lot about it, so I'm so late. finally decided to try it out. This is a little bit brighter, so I'm gonna use this for my brightening under my eyes, nose, everywhere. I just put that last concealer on. And also this is in the shade Deep Cinnamon. So this is the matte one. This is not the hydrated one, y'all. All right, so boom, the concealer is all blended out and we finna move into contour. I'm finna use this contour stick by Makeup Revolution, and I'm only gonna use it on my cheeks. I'm gonna show y'all how I contour my nose a little differently after I finish this. This is in the shade F18. It's really a foundation stick, but I'm using it as a contour stick because it worked like that too. But we use makeup for different purposes other than what they say on the label. That be some lipstick, could be some blush, eyeshadow. You know what I'm saying? So I'm finna put this on my cheeks like this. Kind of only dot it just a little bit because when I blend it out, it's gonna spread anyway. So now I'm finna go in with some Mercier setting powder. I'm probably gonna stick with this setting powder to the end because all the oils that be seeping out my skin, it just, you know what I'm saying? I'm fixing to use this contour palette and set this contour. As y'all can see, I use the middle. This one says Sculpt, and I done hit pan on it, y'all. This really the only shade that I really use out of here because this is a little too dark, but this is like the perfect bronzy look. And I'm finna use this brush. This is the e.l.f. angled brush, okay? And I'm finna go in, this off real quick, and kind of set that. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera, but I do want to look a little subtle though. I ain't gonna look crazy trying to get the show up on camera. But I use this to set that contour and kind of make it pop out just a little bit more, but nothing too crazy. Now we finna move into my eyeshadow and the nose contour. For eyeshadow, I use the Nubian by Juvia's palette. I go in with this brush. This is an eye glitter brush by Essence. I think it costs $1 at Ulta. And I'm finna use this red shade. I'm not no pro at eyeshadow. I just be trying to put a little pop of color on my eyes. Y'all don't know how to do all that cut crease and blend and all. I don't. Y'all see that color? And I'm gonna just add a little bit more color. I put in this color right here, exactly on top. So now what I'm finna do is go in with this contour palette again. I'm gonna apply it right here where my eyebrow kind of starts at in this nose bridge. I'm just gonna stop right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. And boom, that's enough contour for my nose right there. By just me doing this little bit right here, it just contoured my whole nose because I already have a nose bridge and I would like literally contour all of this and be looking strong. Like, next we're gonna go in with some blush. I use Juvia's Place blush. Finna go in, boop, 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 dust it off. And I'm finna like smile a little bit like, That's the blush. I'm finna go in with eyeliner, which is this Fenty Beauty in the shade How Many Carats. I'm finna take this fan brush. This fan brush is from Amazon, y'all. I don't know the name, but I don't even think it's a brand for real. I just said fan brush from Amazon and I ordered it. Just apply all of this and apply it on my cheeks. Y'all can't see. I don't know if y'all was able to see that glitter. I'm gonna put some on my chin, some on my forehead, the tip of my nose, and then the nose bridge just right here though. Now I'm finna do my lip combo. That's my favorite thing about doing my makeup is the lip combo. I'm finna go in with this NYX Suede lip liner in the club.
Fucked up. I got my people with me.
I don't know why I can't talk today, y'all. This is a NYX Suede lip liner in the shade Club Hopper. I like to overline them just a little bit because I feel like it gives like a Bratz doll effect.
Bruh.
Bro, let me sharpen my pencil, y'all. That just made me mad. All right, so boom, y'all see that? Just giving Bratz doll. That's how you overline your lips, just a teeny bit. And I'm finna go over this lining with this, I think this is eyeliner. Yes, this eyeliner from the Beauty Supply, NK, the same people that make their lip gloss in dark brown. So boom, it look a little dark, but that's how I like it. I'm finna go in with this soft matte lip cream by NYX. Is in the shade Athens, like Athens, Texas. Y'all see that? That's pretty, y'all. That's pretty already, okay? So you could leave it like this for those girls that like, you know, more a matte lip. It's pretty like that. Like if I was like a matte girl, like I would leave it like this because it's pretty. But I like to go on top of it with this NYX butter gloss. Everybody know about this gloss. In the shade Madeline. That's pretty. That is so pretty. Y'all see that? I usually stop right here depending on how I'm feeling, but I want to apply one more gloss. This is by Ruby Kisses. This is in a Beauty Supply, y'all. This is like $2. It's in the shade Ginger Glaze. I apply a little bit of this because it's got glitter in it, but I like how it like kind of pulls everything together. And that is my lip combo, y'all. This is kind of optional. I do this depending on how I'm feeling, but I'm gonna just do it for the sake of the video. I'm finna use this Wet n Wild mascara. I really need to get another mascara, y'all. Put me on to some good mascara, y'all. I haven't been able to find like a really good mascara. I'm finna put some mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm not the best at this, so let me focus, y'all. Alright, y'all, so one last step is setting my makeup with this setting spray, Superfix Super Holds setting spray by Makeup Revolution. I ain't gonna lie, I think this is like a dupe for the one size spray because this really holds the makeup really good. I'm just gonna spray this real fast. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look, okay, period. I really love my new makeup routine. Like I just been on YouTube, TikTok, trying out new things. I'm kind of trying to see like what works for me. I love my lip combo. I usually don't wear eyeshadow like that, but I could see why the girlies do. Like it like kind of insinuates everything, you know what I'm saying? Real cute. Y'all see my bob, y'all. I cut this bob myself. We not gonna worry about what the back look like, but I look cute. It's giving pretty much bad bitch, it girl. Oh, and it's jet black, y'all. I dyed it myself. I feel like jet black, dark black hair makes your makeup really pop. Like when you do your makeup like real good, it's popping. Okay, do you hear me? If y'all really like this look, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure y'all subscribe, and also comment down below like some makeup tips that y'all can put me on to. I'll be responding to comments. I like engaging with y'all. Like I said before, follow me on all my social media at That's Jada Monet on every platform. Yeah, y'all, it's your girl Jada Monet, and I'm signing out, and I'm gonna see you next time.